smell snow.
What?
It's coming. I always know. I can smell it and I'm never wrong.
Wasn't in the forecast.
It's just my favorite time of the year.
Good morning, my friends. It is the morning of my birthday and we are in London. We just came back from breakfast and I have opened my birthday gift. I'm so excited. This feels like a milestone for me. I don't know, I have never thought I would be a huge fan of jewelry. I don't even consider myself a huge fan of jewelry, but a Cartier bracelet feels like one of those things that I wanted to have in my life, you know, as something you would get for a special occasion. And the one that I have always wanted was the Juste un Clou, the bracelet, not the love one. This design is something that I love the most in Cartier, and I chose rose gold and small diamonds. And well, I'm really excited to wear it today. The breakfast in our hotel was so good. We're staying in the Milestone Hotel in Kensington, and it is a very traditional British hotel. The breakfast was, you know, in a very traditional British setting. The interior design, so beautiful, everything. The table was set really nicely. I don't know, I think I've never had this kind of breakfast in my life where everything is set so perfectly. You have like the butter, the jams, the little spoon for the salt, everything felt special this morning. And right now we are about to go for a walk. I want to have coffee in Ralph's Coffee here in London. That coffee shop feels like a place to visit in London for me. After that, maybe we'll have a walk if we have time, and we're heading for afternoon tea in the Goring Hotel. And in the afternoon, we are planning to go to Harrods, do some shopping, and well, spend time there. And in the evening, we're going for a nice dinner in an Asian restaurant, but I don't remember the name. So you'll see everything in the vlog. I'm planning to vlog the whole day. It's going to be a really special day for me. I'm going to spend it with my husband and we're going to have a really lovely time. Thank you so much for watching, and as a birthday gift, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and like this video and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much, and please enjoy this day with me. Hello again, and right now I am at a very special place and I am experiencing my dream coming true right now. We've arrived to the Ralph's Coffee, and by chance, or I don't know, by fate, I got the exact table that I wanted, the exact table that was on my vision board. You know, I have always imagined myself sitting in this place with this view, and I will show you the view in a second. We are waiting for our coffee. Our coffee is not ready yet.